Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Sharida and welcome. And in today's video, we are diving into scented laundry products. So I revealed in a couple videos in the past that I have started using scented detergents that actually have a fragrance to them outside of just your normal laundry scents like your lavender, citrus, things like that. I have been using perfume scented products and scent boosters, and I am loving the experience of just doing laundry now because of that. And so when Laundry Sauce reached out and asked me if I wanted to try some of their products, I said absolutely, because I had already been diving into, these scented laundry products anyway. And I have seen these on social media, on YouTube. People seem to really love the quality of the products, the scents they offer, which are perfumes in my collection, some of these. So I just thought it would be natural for us to collaborate on this video. They have been so kind enough to give me some of their products, which I have tried, and we are going to get into all three of the essential packages that they have provided to me to test out. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video. So you guys, as always, be sure that you are subscribed to the channel, and if you find any value in the content along the way, please give your girl a big thumbs up. So when I would see Laundry Sauce, on social media, I would always be so curious as to the actual quality of the products. And when I received them, I was instantly just blown away by the packaging, the information right there on the boxes, and the offerings. Everything seems really luxury, top tier, but how do they actually smell? How do they clean your clothes? Was my number one concern. These really have helped me to transform the chore of doing laundry into an enjoyable experience. When I pop open the wash and I smell the smells, it's giving. When I dry my clothes, I pull them out. Days later, they are still smelling like the fragrance that I have used for that particular load. I also have started layering the scents. Go figure. So the essential package I have in 3 different scents, and each package is going to come with not only the detergent pods, they also have the dryer sheets, and my favorite, the scent boosters. So when you actually use all 3, you're really going to get that scent come through in your fabrics for a really long period of time, unlike if you only used dryer sheets, which is what I normally done for many years, and I had only recently started to try other things. But it really does make everything smell so good, and there is nothing like pulling out new bedding and putting this on your bed and just all these smells wafting around in the air. And when you come home after a long day, you go to sleep, you still smell it on your linens, and I am loving it. So let's get into the 3 scents and their inspirations. So the first scent we have featured in today's video is French Saffron, and can you guess, based off the color, what this is going to be inspired by? If you guess Baccarat Rouge, you are absolutely right, but this is giving me Baccarat Rouge vibes, but also clean. That was definitely a question I had when I actually saw these, on social media. Does it smell like perfume, or does it still smell like fresh laundry with these perfumey accents? And for me personally, I'm getting something that smells very clean, very laundry, but not in a soapy way. This is in a very luxurious way, and it doesn't smell exactly like Baccarat Rouge to me. It is just an inspiration because you are getting something that smells very clean, ambery, a little touch of saffron, and there is a sweetness to it. So this one actually features notes of French saffron, red currant, cinnamon bark, red freesia, and tonka bean. So with the notes not being the same as Baccarat Rouge, you can expect something just a little different, but in a really good way, in my opinion, because I don't want my laundry to smell exactly like Baccarat Rouge. I want it to have a clean essence to it. So for me, what I'm getting is something that is sweet. I get a touch of cinnamon. There is a really light floral component to it, and there is a ton of warmth in here. So when they're pairing that tonka bean with the saffron, it really does smell so luxurious and amazing. And the one thing I can say about these products is they really do get your clothes clean, because the actual detergent in each pod is really strong. So they really are detailed in the information that they provide on the packaging of each product. They let you know how many pounds of laundry will suffice for one pod, or if you need two. Also, where to load it, because thank God I read this first, because I was sure enough about to put this pod in the little tray or container, because I never use pods, so I didn't know. So you actually put the pod in the drum, you know, along with the scent beads like you normally do, because I was sure about to put it like in the little tray of the machine where you normally will put the powder. So I'm so glad they decided to let us know exactly how to use each and every product, and they give you plenty of product for each one. So the scent boosters are available in the 11-ounce size, and this particular scent that I'm holding now is called Italian Bergamot. And it is inspired by Creed Aventus, but fortunately for me, this doesn't give off a masculine edge. This to me smells very citrusy, a touch spicy, really fresh. And there is like this really prominent cypress that you get, which smells remarkable on linens. So the Italian Bergamot features notes of course, Italian bergamot, mandarin pink peppercorn, Philippine elemi, and cypress. And all of their products are going to be high efficiency compatible, and they don't have any unnecessary ingredients or chemicals like parabens, phthalates, or dyes. Because that was definitely my daughter's concern when I told her I would be trying these out. Is this going to make my skin itchy? We both have relatively sensitive skin, but definitely the laundry products matter in this household, because we can have some adverse reactions just depending on the quality of the ingredients and what chemicals are used in the detergents. Now, what I really am enjoying about this brand is that they really do offer a diverse array of scents, because it really doesn't matter what scent profile you gravitate towards, they will probably have something for you. But honestly, you guys, they all smell mind-blowingly beautiful. And I really did not think I would fall in love with the Australian sandalwood in the way that I did, because when I saw that this was supposed to smell like Le Labo's Santal 33, I thought, I don't know how this is going to translate to laundry. Is this going to smell super leathery, harsh, and masculine? It does not. Again, it is giving fresh laundry, but with all of these really gorgeous, sexy components that you will find in the original fragrance. So Australian Sandalwood features notes of Australian sandalwood, crisp bergamot, wood leather, Indonesian patchouli, and Alaskan cedarwood. And this scent booster is absolutely my favorite. I actually love combining these two scents together to create a scent profile that's going to be really fresh, clean, citrusy, a touch spicy, and very woody, but in the best way possible. So with Laundry Sauce, the Essentials package, you're getting the pods in a box of 30. The dryer sheets I have come in a set of 69, and the scent boosters are in 11 fluid ounces. I honestly could just smell these all day. The Italian Bergamot really is giving you like this touch of something that smells like an unripe pineapple. It's so tantalizing. It's more intriguing than just a normal citrus scent. It doesn't smell like, okay, bergamot, lemon, a little mandarin. This has a lot more depth and a little bit more earthiness to it, which I really do enjoy about this one. So if you love fresher scents with a citrusy edge and a little bit of a woodiness, then I really do think you'd enjoy this. I think the easiest grab for feminine fragrance wearers out of the three will be this French Saffron. Oh my God, because you've got those florals in there. It's sweet, but it is really an experience, you guys. I am loving the products, and honestly, if I had to pick one, oh my God, I don't know. I think my favorite is the Australian Sandalwood. I never thought I'd be saying that. This is a close second. I do love them all, but baby, this right here, like to have your laundry smelling like this, all of the things smelling like these sensual caresses, and you really do get these little wafts of it. It's absolutely amazing. And I find that even though the scent really is trapped in that fabric, it's not going to clash or overpower your perfume of the day. So if I felt like wearing something like a Delena, it's okay. I can still wear any of these scents, but when someone comes in, they really, give you a hug, or you're laying down and you smell, your sheets, your pillows, you get a little hint of that. And I am really loving it. Again, makes the whole laundry experience quite enjoyable compared to normal. And not only do they smell good, you guys, because of the bioenzymes they feature in these pods, they get your clothes very clean, triple clean, okay? So they're very concentrated pods again, so they really are going to do the job, but give you that extra added little bit of luxury. So I really do want to send a huge shout out and a thank you to Laundry Sauce for partnering with me on this video. You guys, please drop me a line below and let me know if you have ever tried anything from this brand. How was your experience, if so, or are you interested in checking them out? Because I really would recommend you give it a try. I really do think that you would enjoy them if you're a girl who loves putting a little scent on everything she does. If you know me, I'm into candles, I'm into the good smelling laundry, perfume, body wash, all of the things that's going to help me smell and feel my best so that I can look my best. If you smell good, you feel good. If you feel good, you look good, okay? So that is it for me. You guys, please be sure to check the description box below. Everything will be laid out as far as the scents, the notes that they feature, and the links so that it is convenient for you to check out their website and each of the scents if you do decide to explore Laundry Sauce products. So it has been real. Thank you all so much for joining me on this special video for today. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.